day we first met, I felt the sparks, our smiles gleaming almost as bright as stars. We spoke for hours and hours while the sky grew dark. Then you pulled me into the warmth of your arms. The moonlight shone right across your face. I stared at you with my mouth agape. You laughed and smiled, ignored my gaze, then turned and left, leaving me feeling dazed. I can't help but think that you should be my boy. Come fix me up and be the one to fill the void, with a charm and smile that always